Hello, I'm Parrett, a Chartered Tax Advisor with Tax Shop Accountants in Wellington. This short discussion is about what the government calls making tax digital. Now, what that means is the government would like everybody to file their accounts digitally, i.e. online, every 3 months. A bit like if you're a VAT registered person, you have to file your VAT returns online. It's a bit of a nightmare really, because it means that a self-employed person, whereas they come to see their accountant once a year, brings for one, they do their account once a year, those get filed once a year. In effect, people will have to bring their stuff in every 3 months to the accountant, which is, we know why the government are doing it. It's to eventually, so you pay them every 3 months because they've got no money left. Nevertheless, we've got to follow this. It's very shortly you'll see on the TV there'll be adverts coming on from the government, and this is just not my opinion. This will happen very shortly. I know it's happening. There'll be TV adverts saying from April 2018. Certain people within the community, in the business community, will have to file their accounts digitally every 3 months. So that's going to, put the fear of God up people. So what is it? It's basically you have to file your accounts on either through your accountant's government gateway or their software, or you have to do it yourself and set up your own government gateway, do your accounts every 3 months, and then file them online. So that's what it basically is. So who is it for? Well, it's going to be for everybody who has turnover over £10,000. It gets rolled out at different times. It will be for limited companies, it will be for sole traders, it will be for buy-to-let landlords. You might be a buy-to-let landlord who has £8,000 of income from rents, and you might have £5,000 of a small self-employment income. So because your total income exceeds £10,000, you're going to have to file quarterly. You're going to need to see an accountant, or you're going to need to work out how to do it yourself. If you see an accountant, well, if people are coming to see their accountants every 3 months, then it's going to cost more money. And we'll come on to how to try and keep your money, the money that you pay your accountant, less. We'll come on to that at the end. So who is it for first? Well, that will be for sole traders or partnerships who have turnover over the VAT threshold next April, which will be £85,000. So it could be a sole trader, turnover 85,000. They will have to file every 3 months, and that's only a year away. This video has been recorded in March 2017, so April 2018, these people will have to, they'll have to start filing. They need to take action now to get themselves ready for it, or there'll be penalties. It will be disastrous. So those are the people it will affect first. The following year, 2019, it will affect people who could just have £10,000 of rental income or a small sole tradership. They will be filing from 2019. And strangely, the last people to be affected by this will be the limited companies who get till April 2020 to sort themselves out. You'd have thought it would be different the other way around. So the bigger businesses will, they're much better prepared for it. They already do VAT returns. They're used to this bureaucracy. But no, they've been left until the very end, the limited companies. So, what does my firm recommend people do? Well, very simply, get some decent software. Rather than bringing in a bag of receipts 4 times a year to the accountant, get some software. Ask your accountant what software they would use. We're talking cloud software nowadays. That's the way forward. I mean, we as a firm here at Tax Shop Accountants, we use QuickBooks Online. If your accountant uses QuickBooks Online, they will be able to get you a discount. If they don't get you a discount, they're robbing you. They're keeping your money. They'll be getting a decent discount off QuickBooks. So ask them what the best price they'll do a QuickBooks Online subscription. Xero. Use Xero if you have to. It's good software. It's expensive, but it's good software. QuickBooks Online we recommend. Get yourself ready. There's loads of apps that go with it. You can use a phone app to record your expense receipts. Upload it straight through the program. Don't keep any paper. No need to keep paper. So it will benefit your business by going to a cloud accounting system. Do it shortly. Get yourself prepared to do it. And then making tax digital will be a piece of cake.